Sail off on an unforgettable cruise from St. Maarten with Celebrity Cruises and discover all the treasures that await on this spectacular 37-square-mile island. In St. Maarten, you'll experience both French and Dutch cultures within the same destination. Take a guided tour of Philipsburg, the Dutch capital of St. Maarten, and visit its colorful downtown. Then head north to Marigot, the capital of French St. Maarten, and dip in and out of quaint boutiques and seaside cafes. During your day at port, embark on a thrilling boat ride along the coast and explore the diverse life underwater by snorkeling in the warm, turquoise waters. Unwind on heavenly stretches of sand while enjoying the view of the Caribbean Sea, or traverse the tropical forest on an adventure course with zip lines, suspended bridges, and rope swings. For a taste of history, hike up to Fort Louis, the oldest monument on the island that offers breathtaking views. No matter which adventure you choose, relaxation and reinvigoration await during a stunning cruise from St. Maarten. Start planning your next getaway with us today.